Welcome once again in our mathematics subject, standard 7, lesson number 13, exponent and powers. Students, you all have to open your textbook and we are following all the topics related with the exponent and power today. So first of all, introduction. See, there is an introduction. Puzzles, doubts, pictures are given. See, do you know what is the mass of Earth is? Do you know what is the meaning of mass? Mass means weight of the Earth where we are living. Yes, it is this much figure kilogram. Can you read this number? If we start from the right side, ones, tens, 100, 1000, etc., 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 we cannot say correctly. Isn't it? We had the limitations of numbers and it's too big to write. Mass of universe, Uranus, Sun, it's this much is given. Distance between Sun and Saturn is this much. Meter, yes, distance measured in meter, and distance between Saturn and Uranus is this much. Can you read the number? Which distance is less? We are starting to count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers, and these are the 5 numbers. Like that, we can read out. These very large numbers are difficult to read, understand, and compare. To make these numbers easy to read, understand and compare, we use exponent. In this chapter, we shall learn about exponents and also learn how to use them. 13.2 exponent. See the students here, you already studied about this one. We can write large numbers in a shorter form using exponent. Observe the number 10,000. Can we write 10,000 is 10 into 10 into 10? 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. And 1000 tens are 10,000. In place of that, we can write 10 raised to 4. See, isn't it? Can you see this 10,000? Student? Yes, this one. Now, 10 raised to 4 stands here 10,000. And here 10 is the base and 4 is the exponent. Or we can read out this one. The number 10 raised to 4 is read as 10 raised to power of 4. Read the dark color letter, bold color letter. The number 10 raised to 4 is read as 10 raised to the power of 4. Or we can say 4th power of 10. Yes, it is called the exponential form. Good, very good. 1000 form is 10 raised to 3. Yes, my dear student, it is also like that way. 1 lakh also represent 10 raised to 5. No need to write 6 digit, only 3 digit, 10 and 5. Isn't it? But 5 should have little bit upside. Good. So here in both the cases we can find the base is 10. So we can say exponent is 3 and exponent is 5, but base is 10. We have used the 10, 100, 1000, etc. But can you give the example of this one? 47561? Why not? Actually 47561 is nothing but 4 into 10,000, 7 into 1000, 5 into 100, 6 into 10 and 1 into 1. Can we write it like this way? Yes, you are right, my dear student. That's an expanded form. Good. So writing this way, a big number or a small number. But sometimes all the numbers can repeat it with the same multiplication. Suppose 81. 81 can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times. 3 raised to 4. Isn't it? Yes. So 10 raised to 2 is 100, 10 raised to 3 is 1000. Huh? But here 10 raised to 2, 2 raised to, that means a square. 3 raised to means cube. You should have to know about this word, cube and square. Yes, my dear student, very nicely. Do you know what the 5 cube? Yes, 5 cube means multiply 5 number 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Yes, 25 into 5. That gives me a 125. Yes, correct. Can you write 32's repeated with the 2? Yes, 2 is here. 2 raised to 5. It's here 32. So, here you can say 243, that's 3 raised to 5. 64, that means 2 raised to 6. 625, that gives me a 5 raised to 4. Here same number is repeating. Yes, my dear student, find 4 numbers like that way. You can do yourself. Now one more thing is here, when you multiply a negative number. Yes, you are right. Whenever you multiplied negative numbers are even, answer is positive. If 2 are there, negative number, both are negative, answer is positive. If 3 are there, answer is negative because it's odd number 3 times. Yes, my dear student, here minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Answer is minus 8. But minus 2 raised to 4 gives me 16 because 4 times even number. Whenever the exponent is even, in your base is negative number, answer is positive. Good. So here we can say A into A in a systematical way, in symbolic way, or for general rule, A raised to 2, A raised to 3 and A raised to 4. It's a read out like that way, or 7 also you can read A raised to the power 7 or 7th power of A. Isn't it? Okay, sometimes you have 2 numbers together, A into A into A into B into B. Students, here, don't be confused. Yes, 2 numbers are there. Suppose 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Don't worry. Suppose first number is A, second number is B. Clear? So we can compare like that way. A raised to 3 and B raised to 2. Isn't it? Or you can say A cubed and B squared. See the example 1. Express 256 as a power 2. Student, actually this is not a new things, exponent. Whenever they can say, we were already used this method in previous chapter. They ask us divisibility test. You remember this one. Divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 is the left, 5, 6, 6 1, 16, 8 are. Isn't it? 128 multiplied by 2 gives me 256. Again, divide by 2, 6, 4, again divide by 2, 32, again divide by 2, 16, as it is last back way. How many times you have to do this one? Yes, my dear student, you are right, 8 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Correct. 2 raised to 8. Easy? But how you got it? By division method. Ladder method. Which one is greater? 2 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 2? Yes, now mathematics start or chapters start. 2 numbers are there. First time 2 is the base, 3 is the power. Second time 3 is the base, 2 is the power. Locate here for the solution. 2 raised to 3 means 8 and 3 raised to 2 means is equal to 9. So here 9 is greater than 8, that's why 3 raised to 2 is greater than 2 raised to 3. Which one is greater, 8 raised to 2 or 2 raised to 8? Same way here, 8 8 is 64 and 2 raised to 8 is a 256, just now we found. So we can say 256 is greater than 64. That's why 2 raised to 8 is greater than 8 raised to 2. Example number 4. Expand a raised to 3, b raised to 2, a raised to 2, b raised to 3, b raised to 2, a raised to 3, and b raised to 3, a raised to 3. Are they all same? See student here, a into a into a into b into b. Same way, a raised to 2, b raised to 3. A into a into b, b into b. Second one, b into b, a into a into a. B raised to 3, that's b into b into b into a into a. Not that in the case of the terms a raised to 3, b raised to square and a square b cube, the power of a and b are different. Thus, a raised to cube and b raised to square and a square and b cube are not different. On the other hand, a raised to cube, b raised to square is equal to b square and a raised to 3. Both are the same. Correct. Express the following numbers as a product of power of prime factor. Yes, now it's the main thing. Prime numbers. You remember our lesson. Prime factorization. Here you have to use it. That's why we learned that one. 72. Only prime numbers is the answer. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That means 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 2. It's a prime factorizations. Isn't it? Not other numbers are there. 4, 8, not like that way. Actually 8 into 9, 8 9 is 72. You can write it as it is. First of all, you can do it as a division method or multiplication. Here they saw 2 into 36, then after 2 into 2 into 18. 18 also divided by 2, 1, 2 into 9. 9 also divided by 2 part, 3 into 3. Correct? Good. Now look at your second one. 432. We can be right, it's a even number, that's why 2 into 216. 216 also even number. Again we can do it 2 into 8, 108. 108 also even. We can write 54. 54 is also even number. Again 2 is there. 27 into 2, that gives me 54. Yes, now 27, it's not a even number. We cannot use 2. Now we have to think about 3. Because next number is 3. Prime number, not other number. Yes, 3 into 9. Good. Now 9 is a odd number. We can think about 3 into 3 gives me a 9. So here final is 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3. Correct. 4000. Same way, same process we can do here. 2 into 50, 250, 2 into 2 into 2 into 125. Why? 250 is an even number. Divide it 125. Now divisibility test for 3. Prime number 3. Sum of the number 1 plus 2 plus 5. 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So what the next prime number? 5. Not 4 is a composite number. Correct. Now 5 into 25. Very simple. Now 5 into 5. Very simple. 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3. Answer is here. Both methods are given here 16,000. Oh, very big answer. But you just try it for understanding. 7 times 2 and repeated multiplications. Same numbers. Base is common. Yes. Example number 6. Work out. 1 raised to 5. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. 5 times. Answer is 1 only. Minus 1 into raised to 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 3. 3 times. Answer is even negative. Minus 1 into 4. 4 times. Answer is positive. Because even number. Minus 10 into raised to 3. Minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. Answer should be minus. Negative. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. Finished. Minus 1000 is the answer. Minus 5 raised to 4. Yes, my dear student. Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. 4 times. Answer should be positive. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are. Yes. Want to calculate? Sorry students. This is now you are the very great one. 7th standard students. Yes. 625. See the answers. Yes. So this all information you can use in our exercise 13.1. Okay. Shall we move for the next one? Yes. See, questions are very easy one. Good. So 8 questions are the laws of exponent. 13.3.1. Multiplying powers with the same base. So student, here you had the clear idea. 2 raised to 3, that means here 2 is the base and 3 is the boss, no, base, BSC, base, and 3 is the power or exponent. Clear? Good. Now look at here. Example is that 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 3, or you can say 2 square and 3 cube. See, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. Both the base are same, multiplying numbers. Take one time base and add the both exponent. 2 plus 3, 5. Answer is 2 raised to 5. Check it. Minus 3 raised to 4 multiplied by minus 3 raised to 3. Answer is very simple. 7 times it is there. Count it. Minus 3 raised to 4 plus 3. Yes or no? Yes, correct. So here in general format, suppose there are number A and number A. Both are the base same. One is the square and second is the 4. So 4 plus 2, 6. General rules, you can make it here 4, 11 also. Minus 11 raised to 2 into minus 11 raised to 6. Common. Think about 6 plus 2, 8. In box you can write 8. So we can write here with the blue color. Box is given, student. Whenever two numbers are there and one number has the m exponent and second number has the n exponent, but both numbers should be same, a. Answer is a raised to m plus n, nothing to do. But 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 2 both are different. Here both the base are different, one is 2 and one is 3. Clear? So we cannot apply this rule. Dividing power with the same base. Student, now multiplication over division of the same base. Exponent forget about. ऊपर का जो है टोपी कुछ भी हो सकता है बेटा, बट उसका बेस है, नीचे का पार्ट है, वो सेम होना चाहिए. देखते 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 4. Can we write in this format? Student, see this one. Correct. So we can simplify 7 times 3 and 4 times 3. Then cut it. नीचे का 4 चला गया, ऊपर का 4 चला गया. ऊपर कौन बचा बेटा? 3 times 3. 3 into 3 into 3. That gives me 3 raised to 3. Or can I take 3 raised to 7 minus 4, which is also given me 3 raised to 3. So whenever the base are same in division is there, you can subtract the exponent. Correct. 5 raised to 6 and 5 raised to 2. Directly answer you can say 5 raised to 4. Very simple. So here A example also given, a raised to 4 divided by a raised to 2. Exponents you can say a raised to 2. 10 raised to 8 divided by 10 raised to 3. Very simple way. 10 raised to 8 minus 3 gives me a 10 raised to 5. 8 minus 3, that's 5. Okay, can you give me here 7 raised to 9 divided by 7 raised to 6? What will be the 7 in box? Raised to कितना आएगा बेटा? 9 minus 6. Answer is 3. 8 minus 5. Answer is 3. Correct? In box you can write 3. Very good, student. Here we have the other also two non-zero integers. Correct. B and C. Be careful. Zero नहीं होना चाहिए. Base. General rule for a raised to m divided by a raised to n gives me answer a raised to m minus n. जो पहला है वो पहले लिखेंगे, दूसरा है दूसरा. m पहले है तो m पहले, n पहले है तो n पहले. बी केयरफुल, जो पहला नंबर है उसका एक्सपोनेंट पहले आएगा. बी केयरफुल हियर. a रेज़ टू m है तो m माइनस n रहेगा. n पहले लिखा है, एग्जाम में चेंज द क्वेश्चंस लाइक दैट वे. a रेज़ टू n डिवाइडेड बाय a रेज़ टू m. Then option is this. You will lose your marks 100%. So that's why I remind you, whatever the first number is that, you can write first m then after n, whatever the second. M is greater than n. All numbers is there. 13.3. Taking power of a power. Oh, very good, beta. Power का power. ऊपर एक से एक टोपी के ऊपर दूसरी टोपी. Yes, correct. What we can do here? 2 raised to 3. 2 times. Multiply 2 times with itself. See. Isn't it? 2 raised to 3 multiply 2 times. Correct. So, both the number we can plus it. 3 plus 3. Both the base are same. Correct? Correct? As per our rule. Now 2 raised to 6. In place of that, you just try both the number, both the exponent, both the cap. Multiply. 3 into 2. What is the answer? 6. Without doing any calculations, you can solve the answers. Clear? Very good. See here. 3 raised to 2 raised to 4. 4 to the 8. Direct answer you have. 2 4 is 8. Correct. 7 raised to 2 and all raised to 10. Correct. 10 to the 20. Correct answer. Good. Multiply. Power of power. Double power. So we can write here a raised to m in bracket in all square n. We can write a raised to m into n. Multiply m into n. Correct? Very good, student. Correct? Now we can write here example 7. Can you tell which one is a greater? 5 raised to 2 or 3 multiplied by 3 or 5 raised to 2 raised to 3? ऐसा तो नहीं बता सकते बेटा directly. We should have to check out the answer. Multiply 5 2 times. 5 5 is 25. 25 into 3 that gives me 75. But what about 5 raised to 2 all raised to 3? Very simple. 5 raised to 2 3 times. 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2. Altogether 5 raised to 6. 5 raised to 6 gives me 15,625. So this number is bigger than 75. That's why 5 raised to 2 raised to 3 is greater than 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 3. Correct. Multiplying power with the same exponent. Power same है, बेस अलग अलग है. क्या करेंगे बेटा? इसके लिए भी एक रूल है बेटा. वेरी इजी है. दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. पावर सेम है तब की बात. 2 into 3 6 raised to 3. बात खत्म. 4 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 4. Both the power are same. Exponents are same. You can expand like this way, but I just said multiply both number. 4 3s are base ka multiply. Yes, 4 3s are 12. And power remains same 4. 3 raised to 2 into a raised to 2. Very easy. So 2, 3a raised to 2. A and B. A and B think is a variable. Any number is there. Yes, suppose there are the two numbers. Is a blue color box. It is written a raised to m into b raised to m. Gives me a ab raised to m. Where m is whole number compulsory. 0 हो सकता है, कोई बात नहीं. Expression example 8 2 raised to 3 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 5. कोई बात नहीं बेटा. This number multiply 5 times. So 2 5 times and 3 5 times. Exponents is there. Easy chapter without using your other thinking power. You just follow the general rule. 2a raised to 4. 2a 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 2 into 2 into 2 4 times and a raised to 4. जो दोनों में बार है वो अंदर की दोनों को मिलेगा. -4 m raised to 3. तो -4 raised to 3 and m raised to 3. Dividing power with the same exponent. Division 2 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4. Just we are knowing these things very clearly. Both the power are same. Like as in multiplication, here division. Multiplication, what we did? Yes, multiply both the numbers, both the base. Here we can take the base as division and power is common. 2/3 divided raised to 4. Can you understand? In difficulties, no need to write 2 times powers. Here you cannot write this 2 times. In place of that 1 time only, 2/3 raised to 4. Observe these things clearly. Correct? Very good, student. Very good. Example number 9. Also here, number with exponent 0. जब exponent 0 होता है क्या होता है बेटा? दोनों की साइड पे 0 आ जाएगा. 5 minus 5, answer is 1. How its answer is 1? Very simple. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, cut. All cut. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 into 1 into 1, 1, 5. 1 by 1, 1. Answer is 1. Clear? Good. Now, some examples also there. A divided by A, about the exponent 3. A raised to 3 minus 3. Answer is A raised to 0. Whenever any number raised to 0, answer is 1. Be careful. Miscellaneous example using the laws of the exponents. Students, some exponents you can divide it like this way. 8 raised to 4. Yes or no? Yes. So 2 raised to 12 also is the same. Both the numbers are same. Example number 11. Simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. Student, here multiplication and division together. Don't worry about that one. We are knowing how to write the solutions. See, exponents are same. First we can divide exponential rule. Divide means a subtraction. 7 minus 2, which gives me a 5. 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 5. Both the base are same. 3 raised to 5 plus 5, 10. Isn't it easy? Yes. So check out yourself other examples. Simplify 12 numbers. Yes, my dear student. 12 number example is here. Can you see? Oh, 3 numbers are there. All are number different. Don't worry. Just it is make it prime factorizations. 12 का prime factorization क्या होगा बेटा? 2 into 3. 2 raised to 2. 4 सीजा. 4 सीजा का मतलब है बेटा 2 raised to 2. बराबर है? 2 times 2. Correct. So here 4. When you are separating this one, you had a 2 raised to 8 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 6. Same way, downside also 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 3. Here there is a no multiplication sign, but you are knowing these are the multiplication sign, students. Yes, all between numbers multiplication sign is there. Clear? Okay. Now at last here both the exponents common. No, base are common. Base take common and add it. Yes, 2 raised to 10, 3 raised to 10. Downside 2 raised to 9 into 3 raised to 6. Yes, 10 minus 9 gives me a 1 and 10 minus 6 gives me a 3. So final answer 2 raised to 1 and 3 raised to 4, which gives me a 2 into 81. Final answer 162. Easy? Try out the next questions. A, B, C. See, here are expressions. Yes. See, by multiplication sign, it is not shown here, but you just try out. 13.2 is very easy for you. Most of the example that we have taken in this chapter, the base of a power was taken an integer. But all the result of the chapter apply equally well to be a base which is a rational number. Yes, student. Rational number means numerator and denominators like that. Yes, decimal number system, last topic today. Can we complete in within 2 minutes? Yes, 1 it is taken. See, the number is written here. Very nicely, we already discussed previously. But in Dan base, we can write expressing large number in the standard form. Yes, student, this is a very important topic. 59, 590, 500. 5900 and 5900, no, but 10 is missing here. एक 0 कम है बेटा इधर टेक्स्ट बुक में देख लेने का, करेक्शन कर देने का. So here 5.9 into 10 raised to 1, 5.9 into 10 raised to 2, 5.9 into 10 raised to 3, and 5.9 into 10 raised to 4, because every time 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000s are there. That's why. So whenever we are writing any numbers, we can multiply with the same number. But at least one number should be there before decimal point, and afterwards you can write any number. Clear? Good. Whenever a large number is there, we can multiply with the 10 base. जितना 0 इतना 0 लगा देने का बेटा. इधर है 3 and then after 20 times 0. So 3.0 and 10 raised to 20. See here 4 and how many zeros are there? 10 zeros are there. Count it. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So 4.0, 10 raised to 10. Same way here. The earth mass is here that we started our lesson. 5.976. बाद में जितना zero इसको 24 times. Clear? 5.976 into 10 raised to 24 is our earth mass. Uranus mass is 8.68 multiplied by 10 raised to 25. Student, Uranus मेरे से ज़्यादा weight वाला है. Examples are given here. Solutions also there. Here we completed our chapter 13. Take care. Be safe.